This is Gino's huge tower we just built. Wait, not yet. He's so excited to break it. And yeah, are you gonna break this? Oh, we forgot one more block. Hold on, let's put this block way up here. This is about 5 feet tall because it's almost as tall as me. I'm only 5'7". Okay, hold on. Let's look at from the ground up. Hold on. Wow. And look how tall it is to Gino. He only comes up to the middle part. Stand right there. Hold on. 1. You're gonna hit it. Push the button so you get some sound effects. Okay, 1. Are you gonna hit it? Hit the tower. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Good job, puppy. Ooh, careful with the airplane. Destroy it. Whoa. Destroy it. Get it. Whoa. Good job, Baba. Get it. Get all the blocks over there. He's gonna ruin his airplane. You should close the cockpit. He did it with 1 hit. Alright. Careful with the airplane, Baba. Good boy, Bobby. Such a good boy. All done? All done? He's got his new dresser yesterday. And more toys than anybody. His new dresser. His new waterfall for nighttime. Puts him right to sleep. Let's see if it works with the light on. How do I turn the light off? Actually loves it. Super soothing. Oh yeah, don't hit your letters. Don't hit your letters. He's a big boy now. He's a big giant baby. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the phone. Bye-bye. All right.